All right, guys. So good evening, guys. I saw this movement on TXY. So I actually dropped this setup to my mentorship group. Okay, and I think most of my students actually make use of this opportunity and actually make some money today. Okay, I actually make some money. Okay, actually make some money on Euro USD just today actually. So let me go to the points real quick. So as you can see TXY, okay, I saw this movement. I think it was last week. Yeah, last week I actually wait patiently, okay, for this beautiful setup. Okay, as you can see this price actually took, okay, let me just, for example, okay, as you can see, when price was going like this, price took out this liquidity like high, this high, okay, this old high, okay, and price moved down and took out this old high, okay, and sweep this liquidity, okay, then move up a little bit before coming down. So I was actually waiting for this setup since last week. As I said, okay, I've been waiting for this setup, okay, so I did not take any trade. I did not take any single trade, at all. I think it was since last month safe. I was not even on a chart, okay. I'm not taking any trade. So I actually wait for this beautiful setup, okay, and actually makes some money, okay, today. So as you can see, price went down to this area, and as you can see right here, price did not touch this other block. I think you can see that. Let me quickly cancel this. As you can see, price did not touch this other block. So many traders will actually so many traders will actually went for a buy from here, okay, from this side here, okay. And as you can see, I actually wait patiently. As you can see here, price did not even touch this other block here I mark, okay. As you can see, this is your other block, okay. Your last bearish candle, okay, if price is bullish, your last bearish candle will be your other block, okay. As you can see, 1 2 3, this last bearish candle, okay, is your other block. As you can see, I just marked this other block out, okay. I said, okay, I will patiently wait for price to come back to this other block. As you can see here, price did not touch this other block, and this was a liquidity. It's just a trap, okay. So many traders who actually went for a buy here and made some money before price crash it down, okay, and hit this other block before moving up. I think this was doing the news last week. Yeah, I think so. This was doing the news, okay. This was doing the news. Price went all the way from here, massive movement before crashing down to this other block before moving up. Let me move down to the 1 hour time frame and see what I'm saying there, okay. As you can see, as you can see what I'm saying. Oh my god, let me just move down and mark out the other block. Sorry guys. Okay, so let me mark out the other block. So this was the bullish other block, so let me quickly mark it out. Okay, so let me move down to the 1 hour time frame and see what I'm actually trying to see. So okay, let me move down to the 4 hours. I think 1 hour is too low. Okay, so as you can see what I'm saying, this was a liquidity. I actually saw this movement here. I saw this movement. I was like, okay, price have not get to my like my point of interest, okay. This other block here, you see, price did not touch this other block, and I did not take any trade. Yes, I did not react. I actually dropped the setup, okay, for my student, okay. I dropped the setup for my student. That was doing last week Monday, I think so. Yeah, last week Monday. So I dropped the setup for my student. I said, okay, price is coming down to this other block if you want to take this trade. And someone said, okay, does that mean Euro USD will bullish, I mean sorry, bearish if DXY is bullish? And I said yes, okay. And actually, and I believe some of them actually make money with this kind of movement, okay. So As you can see, price did not actually touch this order block. That is what I mean. A traders, you have to be patient. You have to be patient. As you can see, price did not touch this order block. As you can see, this is a liquidity. This is a liquidity, and price actually came down and swept the liquidity before moving up. As you can see, before moving up, this was, I think, yeah, I think it's last week during the news, before we see this kind of bearish, sorry guys, before we see this kind of bearish moving candle, this candle, I mean this one, this candle, this was during the news. Yeah, this bearish candle. Okay, so I saw this movement, I was like, yeah, that was last week Friday. Okay, I went to my chart and I checked it. Okay, I checked those the bearish candle. I was like, wow, what kind of bearish candle is it? Okay, and I said, I'm going to make use of this opportunity and make some money on Euro USD. Okay, so I actually see this setup. Okay, so let me quickly show you guys how I go about this the trade on Euro USD. So just a simple trade. That's what I mean. Just need patience in this market. Okay, as you can see, this is Euro USD. So I not just went for a buy, because I mean went for a sell, because I see buy setup on DXY, because DXY giving me some confirmation. Okay, so I actually wait for market structure shift. That is my confirmation. Okay, market structure shift, and fair value gap for my entry and pre-cap block. So let me quickly show you guys. Let me move down to the 30-minute time frame. Okay, so this was the trade I took today. Okay, so I actually analyzed this trade this morning. So this was the trade. So as you can see, this was price actually went up. Okay, and I actually wait for shifting market structure shift. So this was the old low. Okay, this old low, old high. Okay, as you can see, this is it. So I actually wait for price to took out this what is it called, this old low, this, and that will give me SS. Okay, that is market structure shift. Okay, so I actually wait for price to clear this. Okay, so as you can see, this is what fair value gap. Okay, as you can see, this fair value gap here. Okay, and actually take this trade from that fair value gap. Okay, I actually wait patiently with this trade. I actually risk all my entire account with this single trade, because I actually risk all my entire accounts with this trade. So as you can see, very simple. Okay, very, very simple, guys. So if you can just follow this method, okay, you make a lot of money in forex. Okay, not every day you make money in forex trading. Okay, that is the thing. So some days give yourself a break. Okay, like me, like this now. Okay, I've made some profit today, so I can just go off for like a week, 3 weeks. I won't trade. That is how I do. Okay, that's how I trade. Okay, but if I see any setup, any nice setup, okay, I can go again and enter the market. Okay, and play with some pips. So as you can see, I'm very sure some people will be waiting for buy setup on Euro USD or GBP. Okay, I won't advise you guys to buy for now. Okay, so as you can see, some people will put their order block here. Okay, and wait for you buy. The way this market is moving is actually it's a stop loss. So I would prefer to go for more sell. Okay, price to move up a little bit and sell again. Okay, as you can see, I think TXY is actually strong. As you can see, TXY dollar is very, very strong, I think. So with this kind of massive movement, TXY is actually strong. So I will advise you guys, if you want to take any trade on GBP or Euro USD, I would just advise you guys to go for more sell. Okay, just go sell. Okay, one of my students said please I should analyze GBP. Okay, so let me just move down to the GU. Okay, as you can see, GU. So I actually make this analysis to drop it for to drop it to my student. Okay, to drop it for my students. So I won't actually advise you guys to go for this buy. Yeah, I won't actually advise you guys to go for this buy. Okay, you can just wait patiently. Okay, wait patiently and see the price reaction. Okay, don't just go and boom start. Put your entry here at this fair value gap or this other block. Okay, Okay, I know some of you will be saying where is fair value gap here, or my bullish order block. Okay, let me just move down to the I think I got this analysis from 4 hours. Yeah, I got the analysis on 4 hours. Sorry guys, so I got this analysis on the 4 hour time frame. Sorry guys. So as you can see, so this is the setup. Okay, so as you can see, this is order block here, bullish order block, and this fair value gap here inside here. Okay, so inside the big fair value gap. So I will actually advise you guys to go for this what is it called, this buy setup on GBP. Okay, so instead of that, you can just go for more sell. Okay, so if you know GBP is not really clear to me, that is why I don't actually take any trade on this GBP, and it's actually a nice setup, and I think some of you will actually make so much profit. I don't really like trading GU like that. Okay, so if I do not see any nice setup on GU, so I won't take any trade. I think it's also nice on GU, but I don't really trade GU. Okay, let me move back to the Euro USD. So my advice for you guys is you can just keep GU for now. Okay, you can just keep GU. Actually, there is some setup. If I want to take trade on this GBP, so I will actually wait for sell setup. Yeah, sell opportunity. This is it. As you can see, this is a fair value gap right here. So you can just wait for price to come back to this fair value gap. I can actually take the trade from here. Yeah, price can just keep the gap and keep going. Price is going to cover the gap before moving in this direction. Okay, so as you can see, I can just wait for price to come back to this fair value gap before before taking the sell opportunity. Okay, I think you understand what I mean. All right, so let me just move down to the Euro USD. Okay, I think I saw some other sell up on Euro USD. Let me just cancel this. Real quick. All right, so this is Euro USD. Very nice setup. Very nice. Okay, very nice. I was actually expecting this kind of movement on Euro USD. Okay, so all these things I'm doing can actually do the same. Okay, do the same thing on your chart. Okay, and wait for price movement. Okay, don't just sell immediately you see price coming to your point of interest. Just enter the sell opportunity. You can see the method I use. Okay, with the sell opportunity, I just sell on Euro USD, wait for market structure shift. Okay, before taking the trade. So don't just sell from here directly when you see price coming to your point of interest. Okay, wait for shifting market structure shift. This is what I mean. If you see price coming to your point of interest like this, okay, just patiently wait. Okay, wait and see the price reaction. Okay, see the price reaction. Sorry, wait for something like this. Another push up a little bit can take out the price, can take out the old high, or just something like this, and wait for price to clear the old low. That will give you so entry confirmation. Okay, wait for price to clear the old low and wait for price, this is what I mean, wait for shifting market structure shift. Okay, or some traders call it change of character. Okay, wait for something like this. Some traders call it change of character. So price to take out the old low. So after then, okay, so you can actually wait for price. Maybe you find a trigger block or mitigation block around this area, or fair value gap around this area, so you can actually take your trade from there. Okay, you can just mark it out. Let me see mitigation block. Okay, so let me see mitigation block. So you can just wait for price to come back to the mitigation block before going down. Okay, before taking any action or before selling. All right, so actually this was my analysis on Euro USD. Okay, you can also try this on your chart. Okay, so you can try it on your demo account. I do not mean your real account. Okay, you can try this on your demo account and give me feedback. Okay, I want to just give me feedback on this setup. Okay, if you have any problem, just put in the comment section any pair you want me to analyze. Okay, so I will actually help you guys out. Okay, so I think that will be for all tonight. Okay, let me check. I think okay, Australia is not really bearish for now. Okay, I think some of you can still make this opportunity and go bearish on Australia. Okay, if I want to go more bearish on this Australia USD, okay, I can just wait for price to clear this old high, I mean old low rather. So price to clear this. Okay, this market, this pair is not really moving it's not really moving fast. Okay, so I will actually not take this kind of trade. I will just leave it. It's not really moving fast. Okay, as you can see, GBP is already bearish. Euro USD is already bearish. I see this guy is still up there bouncing around. All right, so let me check GBP JPY.